right, let's start now. I would like to say a huge thank you, a big thank you, and well done to Bella, Clarice, Darius, Jerome, Ken, Sanvi, Siri, and Zoe. All right, then all of you have submitted your work to me. Thank you very much. Okay, so there are some of you who have not submitted to me. Like for example, can y'all spot who has not submitted? Eldon, where's your work? All right, Eldon has not submitted, right? Let me see. And then we have Avi. Avi, you have not submitted your work. All right. So only 2 of you have not submitted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Okay, so Avi, oh, you have problems with in terms of what? What do you mean? Problems accessing the portal or you couldn't find time to do? Okay, let me take attendance for Xander first. All right, so Avi, would you like to elaborate? You just type in the chat. You mean you have problems assessing the question? You cannot see the questions? If that is the case, let me know and make sure you have the help desk number. If you don't have, I will let you have the help desk number. Okay, then how about the other person? All right. So who else has not submitted? Xander, your PC is charging, so you can't do. Okay, you're supposed to do it at least 1 day before the tutorial. All right, so Irvi, you're saying every time you click next, nothing happens. Okay, so Irvi, do you have the help desk number? So whenever this happens, right, you straight away call the help desk. Okay, so I will pass you the help desk number in a while. All right. So everybody should have the help desk number. Right, while I am keying in the help desk number, okay, to save time now, because we have a new student today. All right, Ken, welcome to Miss Ivy's class. So basically my rules is very simple. If you need to go toilet, if you need to get a drink, don't need to ask for permission. Just type into the chat, I'm going to the toilet. Then when you're back, type into the chat, I'm back. That's all. Just inform me in the chat. And then I'll be asking a lot of questions. Please type your answers into the chat. Do not worry about giving me the wrong answer. All right, because we are all here to learn from each other. So there's no stupid answer. So all answers are respected. Okay. So and if you really don't have any idea what the answer is, you just type not sure. All right. Or you make a guess, you put a question mark. Okay. So Xander, make sure you do next week, your homework. Okay. Then if I'm going too fast, too slow, all right, for Ken, please let me know, all right? Type into the chat. Okay, so this is an ongoing promotion. Please continue to share 88 tuition with your family and friends so that they get 25% off. You also get 25% off. All right, let's start. Okay, because I really want to play games, Kahoot games today. All right, question 1. I think my picture is a clearer picture than what you had. All right, so here, let me see the report. From the report, right, for those of you who submitted, well done, all of you got this right. So it seems that it's too easy for you, okay, because everybody get this right, well done, right? So it is 1.8. So basically you can see there is 1 here. So this will be 1.1, this will be 1.2, all right, this will be 1. So maybe I'll just write smaller. So basically you have 1 here. All right, then 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, and then when you have a slightly longer line, 1.5. They have 1.6, 1.7, 1.8. So this line is 1.8. Okay. All right, and it's in kg. All right, any questions so far? Bella, this is not math. This is asking you whether you know how to read. So they may give you a meter ruler. They may give you a ruler, and then they ask you what is the length. How long is it? If you measure length using a ruler, or you measure mass using this weighing machine, all right? So over here we are measuring mass. How heavy the apple is. Okay, so this is a little bit like maths, but science we also test it. Okay, let's go on. Now, which organ system is this? 2 of you got this wrong, which I'm very surprised. I would like to hear from Jerome and Zoe. Jerome and Zoe, you know, if you work out, if you go to the gym every day, you can carry very heavy weights up, down, right? Then you will grow a lot of what? What will you have? All right, good job, Jerome. How about Zoe? What will you have if you go to the gym every day, then you carry heavy weights up, down, moving your hands up, down? Yes, good. You have a lot of muscles. So actually, these are muscles. All right. So we have a lot of muscles. Even if you say, Miss Ivy, I don't go to the gym, you still have muscles. If you don't have muscles, you cannot walk. All right. In order to walk, you are making use of your muscles. Your muscles must contract, right, to walk. So this is the muscular system. So you break it up this way, muscular system. So answer is B. All right. So this is quite simple. Now, this is where I want everybody to give me the answer. So let's do the number one. This is one, two, first system, second system, third system, fourth system, fifth system. Can everybody type the first system now? Start with the first one. Type the first system. Those of you who are faster, after you finish typing the first system, can you tell me what are the organs? All right, what are the organs in this system? Okay, good job, Jerome. Good job, Eldon. Good job, Samvi. All right. So good job, Eldon also. I think you all typed double, is it? I'm very surprised that some of you only give me one organ. There are many organs. Digestive got so many organs. Give me in the right sequence. Okay, excellent answer from Siyi. Starting from your mouth, okay, and all the way to the anus. All right, so please type as one long list before you enter. Okay, so you start from the mouth, and then you have your gullet, and then you have your stomach. You need to know the sequence. So the mouth, after the food you digest, you swallow the food through your mouth, right? Then gullet, stomach, then small intestine. Okay, then large intestine. And finally, the anus, where your feces, your poop comes out from. Okay, I can't write the anus because it's too near to my my icons for the pen. All right, so I will just write anus here. Okay, next, everybody, what is the second system? Oh, my screen is blur. Okay, let me check my screen. It's raining here, so sometimes the internet might be affected. All right. Now, can everybody write down what is the number two system? Spelling error for Darius. Spelling error for hang on, Darius and Ken. Spelling error, but good try. Okay. Eldon also spelling error. Okay. So good job, Bella. Okay. Irvi, this is wrong concept. Please take note. Irvi, wrong concept. Good try anyway. Zoe, well done. Siri, well done. Jerome, wrong spelling. Zenda, well done. Eldon, well done. Jerome now is correct. All right, so respiratory. Okay, so re, and then tree. All right, T-O-R-Y. Okay, so over here, the systems, right? The organs would be your nose. Can y'all type into the chat what are the three organs inside respiratory system? Nose. Before lungs, Darius, what do you have? Nose. Only three things. Elder, don't have so many. Only three organs. Look at here, the nose. You breathe in through the nose, right? And then what is this? This part. All right, it's the windpipe. All right, windpipe. So windpipe is this part, the long thing. Okay, so nose, windpipe, and the two lungs. Right, so these are the three organs inside respiratory system. Now, before I go on, I forgot to ask you guys. Let me draw a line like that. Can y'all tell me which organs have digestion? Okay, everybody type into the chat which organs have digestion quickly. Which organs have digestion? Because I got mouth, gullet, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. So well done, Siri. The rest, which organs have digestion? So digestion takes place in which organs? There are three answers. Some of you only give me one answer. Give me in one line, please. All right, Darius, good job. All right, Samvi, good job. Okay, Bella, good job. Jerome, if you give me some answer on top, some answer below, I have to scroll up and down. Okay, Jerome, your first answer is not correct. I mean, you gave me the two answers. It's correct, but short of one. Okay, good job, Eldon. Okay, Xander, good job. Okay, Jerome, Jerome, your anus got no digestion. Well, anus is only where the feces come out. Okay, Jerome, now you're right. Okay, so mouth. So let me highlight. Your digestion starts in the mouth. Your digestion will continue in the stomach. And your digestion will be finished in the small intestine. So please remember the three organs in digestion. Okay, so let me write in blue. So there's digestion in the mouth. There's digestion in the stomach. There's digestion in the small intestine. Is everybody clear? All right, so these three are no digestion in the gullet, no digestion in the large intestine. Obviously, no digestion in your anus. Anus is where your feces come out, your poop comes out. All right, next. Number three, obviously, it will be, we went through this in the previous MCQ, so muscular system. All right, so everybody tell me what is the fourth body system? What is the fourth organ system? Type into the chat, what is the fourth body system? Okay, good job, Eldon. Good job, Siri. The rest? Okay, the person who, okay, that's Irena, is it? Let me see. Okay, Irena. All right, well, I mark your attendance already. All right, now, the system number 4 is circulatory system, where the blood is circulating. The blood is going around your body. All right, so circulatory. So again, T-O-R-Y. You see a lot of words here got T-O-R-Y, here also T-O-R-Y. All right, circulatory system. All right, so it has 3 organs. All right, so it has, the very important thing is your heart. All right, your heart is a pump. All right, your heart pumps blood. And then you have your blood. And your blood will go around your blood vessel. So please remember these 3 organs. Okay, and finally, what is the last system? Number 5, everybody type into the chat. Okay, blood vessel, of course, it includes arteries and veins and capillaries, which you will learn in secondary school. All right, number 5, skeletal system. All right, so skeletal system. All right, where you have all the bones. All the different bones. All right, we have all the different bones in the body, but you don't need to know the special names of the different bones, don't need. All right, so is everybody clear? The 3 organs of the respiratory system for breathing. All right, for you to breathe in, breathe out air, nose, windpipe, and lungs. All right, respiratory system, these are the 3 organs. And then circulatory system, these are the 3 organs, the heart, the blood, and the blood vessels. And then for digestive system, digestion takes place in 3 organs. Digestion takes place in the mouth, digestion takes place in the stomach, digestion takes place in the small intestine. All right, any questions so far? All right, so we are doing quick revision for exam as well. Right, so these are just nicely typed out, and Dr. MCS is just using the short form. All right, DRMCS. So if I were to highlight it, all right, so DRMCS, Dr. MC. You go and visit a doctor, you get MC, right? Okay. Xander, you are talking about circulatory system. Blood vessels got many types, got arteries. You will learn in secondary school. Arteries, you got veins, you got capillaries. All right, which primary school, you don't need to know. You just need to know the word blood vessel. All right, if you want to learn more, I mean, it's good. All right, but at least just know that there's circulatory system, got heart, got blood vessels. All right, is it okay, Xander? Okay, let's move on. All right, let's talk about function of the different Dr. MCS system. All right, like when you go and visit the doctor, you must get MC, right? If you're not feeling well, you go to the doctor to get MC, so Dr. MCs. All right, DRMCS. So what is a function? All right, so I don't want to just hear Miss Ivy's voice. Can I hear from someone? Or anyone unmute yourself. What is the function of the digestive system? I give you the first letter already.